Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, we're going to be talking about deleting the general/default channel in your Slack workspace. Does it work in practice in 2025? Well, let us find out, guys. So in the first step, head over to your Slack account and select your workspace in the top left corner. And just for the sake of this tutorial, guys, let me show you how you can delete channels in general here on Slack. Simply right click on the given channel. So let me go with that one here I created for demonstration purposes. Select View Channel Details from the drop-down menu, and from here, from that About tab, switch to Settings here to the right, and there you go. As you can see, you will see that option at the bottom of this card, delete this channel. So that's how you delete channels here on Slack in general. However, guys, the default/general channel can't be deleted, unfortunately, on Slack. Let me prove you that it doesn't actually work in 2025. So if I, for example, click on that general channel here, I just renamed it for the sake of this tutorial, and again head over to the channel details, and from there to the channel settings, you will see there's unfortunately no such option to delete the channel, guys. However, guys, there's one thing you may apply or do here. For instance, you may, for example, simply mute the given channel. So you can do that by right-clicking on it here in your channel overview and select Mute Channel here. That is going to somehow downrank the given channel and place it at the bottom of your listed channels here, so that you don't see it at the top. And that's unfortunately the only way how you can mute these general or default channels in your Slack workspace. I hope you found this video helpful. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.